Today I'm going to show you how to install an illuminated outlet cover. And the one I'm going to be putting in today is a Snap Power. It's guided. It's called a guided light, and you can buy various kinds from all of the big box stores. You can get them from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. Assume Target has them. But anyways, it has a light sensor on the bottom, and then it has 3 little LED lights that turn on when it gets dark enough that the sensor turns on the lights. Very easy to install. These things just clip over the outlet, and that's how they get their power. So let me go ahead and show you how to install this. So first you want to get a flathead screwdriver, take off the outlet cover, and then you're just going to want to stick this right in place where it would fit naturally. And those 2 springy things on the side, those pieces of plastic, have metal in them, and they're making contact inside with the outlet. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I've got a bunch of lights on because this area is dark, but let me show you what it looks like. And ta-da! We have a lighted outlet cover. Thank you for watching this video.